First time on safari? Yes? Yay! Alright, well it's my first time driving, so hopefully we'll get through it together.
Yeah, okay, right there.
You might see some game spotting guys above you. That's every single animal in the reserve and their name. I normally suggest to take a picture of that. That way you can remember what all the animals are called. Over.
You see that red bird on the line? Back there?
No, camera. Hot. Is it hot?
If you look to the right, you'll see an okaki there wide. It almost looks like a rock by that island. And then on that island, you'll see the pink-backed pelican. They're unique because they live in colonies in the trees and they like to herd their fish. Oh, here's another hippo walking under the water. If you look in between the island and the land. You can see how they kind of take a step and propel themselves up, kind of like how we would walk on the moon. Here's some more hippos. I can see 3. Two of them are together and look like a really long hippo. Well, we are going to head up towards the bridge here. I'd like to remind everyone you have to stay seated. It's for your safety. They're larger, stronger, and more aggressive than the American alligator. And their bite is 1,200 pounds per square inch. That is enough to crush a bone. So, we're going to head out of here. Hundreds of animals, including some of the more famous ones like lions, giraffes, and elephants.
Smells like propane. Strong.
Really, Daddy?
The Serengeti grasslands are a self-sustaining ecosystem. Elephants knock down the trees. Don't worry, we're not stopping for the road. These are just normal animal stops again.
Later, dude.
Heading here, monkey. Point Wilson over.
Keep your eyes open for me. We picked up a baby elephant that was wandering off on its own. We can't find the mother. I'm afraid Fortune may be in the reserve.
Okay, we'll
Located the
do...
mother elephant. Thanks to you, they are now both safe. Asante sana, everyone.
Oh, that's great news, Wilson. I'm glad to hear it.
I know.
I have to go now. We have to get this baby elephant back to its mother.
Alright, come on, hurry, Wilson. Well, the good news is it looks like we gotta help Wilson catch those poachers and reunite that baby elephant with its mother. But the bad news is I'm gonna have to drop you guys off about 13 days early due to that crazy detour. If you want to see some more African animals, of course you're always welcome to come back on safari. Hopefully you're gone the whole 2 weeks next time. But you can always go on Pagani trails as well. There's a walking trail up here in Africa, 10 to 15 minutes. They have lots of really cool animals, including some you can't see on safari.